How to promote your app advertising to Google Ads. Learn digital marketing with Digital Pollen. Are you tired of not getting enough downloads for your app despite the fantastic concept and design? Have you tried different app marketing strategies but still find yourself struggling? Your app might be highly relevant, but without efficient promotion, it's highly likely that it will never reach the number of downloads it deserves. If you're an app developer or marketer, you must know that mobile advertising is the most effective way of reaching potential customers. And when it comes to mobile advertising, Google Ads is undoubtedly the powerhouse of all. In this video, I'll show you some strategies to promote your mobile app in Google Ads that can increase downloads, boost visibility, and drive conversions. Why advertising on Google Ads matters. Google is the world's largest search engine, and over 5 billion searches are made on it every day, making it the most popular platform for advertising. By advertising on Google Ads, you have the power to show your app to millions of users who are looking for similar apps that cater to their needs. Advertising on Google Ads allows you to target specific audiences and show your ad only to people who are most likely to be interested in your app. The app promotion setup process. Before that, let's start with the setup process for in-app promotion, which we will cover in detail. 1. Creating your Google Ads account. 2. Setting up a new app campaign. 3. Target detailing like location, time of the day, etc. 4. Ad creation. 5. Ad extensions detailing. The first step to promoting your app on Google Ads is to set up an account, and if you don't have one already, it's time to make one. After successful account creation, you'll need to verify your ad account by submitting payment information. After creating and verifying your account, we have to set up an app campaign. This step is crucial because it's where you can specify the details of the app, such as whether it's an Android or iOS app, app ID, etc. By doing this, the platform will have all the required information to know when to show your ad and to whom. Now let's move on to target detailing, which is one of the most critical aspects of your ad campaign. You can't just set up a campaign and hope for the best. You need to define your audience with parameters like location, time of the day, gender, age, and interests. By using these details, you'll be able to show your app to the right people, thereby gaining a better reach and ROI. Once you've set up your app campaign, it's time to move on to ad creation. The ad creation process consists of 3 main components: headline, description, and image. Your ad should be short and sweet, and it should clearly convey the message of your app. Use language that evokes emotion and curiosity to entice users to click through to your app's page. And lastly, it's time to focus on ad extensions. Ad extensions are additional pieces of information you can add to your ad to make it more interactive. It includes items like location, call, message, rating, etc. By adding these extensions to your ad, it'll give users more reasons to engage with your ad, leading to increase the likelihood of a conversion. You have the steps to create an excellent app campaign that is built to give results. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.